Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you where to find jobs in the current COVID-19 climate that we're in. My name's Lisa, I work for Skills Development Scotland, also known as SDS, and have been an advisor with them for many years. Here at SDS we've introduced an online job hub. It's been set up to highlight immediate job opportunities in response to the pandemic. Employers can post their vacancies for free and it will show vacancies available right now across Scotland. The web address is myworldofwork.co.uk/job hub. So if you want to go and log on to it just now, I'll walk you through and you can start finding and applying for vacancies. So, like I said, you firstly go to the myworldofwork.co.uk/job hub address. The screen will look like this. You can start looking for vacancies by clicking on the Search Job Hub button on the right hand side. You'll then be taken to a results page, and you can refine your search using the filters down the left of the page. You can put in a specific job title or a relevant word, like care, driver or customer assistant for example, or you can leave it blank for all jobs to show up, and you would then enter a location where you would like to work, put in the distance you would be prepared to travel. You can also put in if you're only available for full-time or part-time or both, and whether you would consider temporary jobs as well as permanent jobs. Then press Update Results and you'll see the available vacancies. I'm doing an example on the screen just now. I've put in a postcode. I've clicked I would be interested in part-time and full-time, and also that I only want temporary jobs. When I click on Update Results, a list of all the jobs that match my search have come up. I'll click on one I saw here for a warehouse operative. When I click on it, it will open the job and it will give you a job description. It will show you the duties you'll be doing and it will tell you the closing date. On the right hand side it shows that this particular vacancy is part-time and temporary, and if you're interested in applying you would click on the Apply Now button at the bottom. This will then tell you how to apply. It will tell you whether there's an application form to complete, or whether they want you to phone them direct or email them a CV. I'll come on to talk about CVs in a moment, but remember vacancies are being continually added to the site, so it's best to check regularly for updates. If they do ask for a CV and you'd like help with writing one, we can also help with this. If you go to our website, myworldofwork.co.uk, you'll find one of our many resources here. It's called the CV Builder. You'll find it by clicking on the Getting a Job heading at the top of the page. If you then select CVs and applications, you'll then be able to read information about CVs, application forms and covering letters. If you come down the page, once you've read those articles, you'll see a button called Build Your CV Now. I'll come to it now and it's over the right hand side of the screen. And if you click on that, you'll be shown a step-by-step guide to easily create and manage your CV, as well as see examples of CVs to get you started. On this side I've put some additional websites you might want to check out, including the website for apprenticeship information, as well as the new websites that have been set up at DWP for job help and employer support. And I've also included a link to where you can get redundancy support. So, having listened to this video, if you want to start a job search, I would suggest you firstly have a look at the MyWoW Job Hub to see what vacancies are available. And if you do have questions and you feel we could help you with them, we have qualified and experienced advisors you can speak to. You can get in touch via our live chat facility that you'll find on our website, or by phoning us using the number on the screen. And if you're an employer who would like to advertise a vacancy, you can do this by going to our Skillsforce website using the address on the screen and following the online links. I hope you found this useful. And remember, we'll be adding new content regularly to our job hub, so please keep checking back. Thanks for listening.